Yes! This is Jeremy Schneider with NJ.com, and I'm here for NJ All Day, where we show you the funnest and coolest things to do in New Jersey. Today we're in West Berlin at Diggerland, USA, the only construction-themed theme park in the United States. We're gonna check out some of their construction-themed rides, probably get really dizzy, break some stuff, and if I'm lucky, maybe they'll even let me crush a car. Let's get to digging. Bob the Builder, can we fix it?
You're at the wheel. You control everything, the speed, the brake, the turns. Here, you control the ride. You sit in a machine, you drive the machine, and have your own destiny wherever you want to go.
Going 4 miles an hour, baby. We out here, buckle up.
Our family has always been in the construction industry and started looking for an exit strategy of what we can do with our construction equipment. So we looked for different options, and construction was the only way to go. So we decided, let's venture into this industry. Diggerland XL, that's a one-on-one experience where a customer gets to operate a real piece of equipment, big size. I'm talking about excavators, which are between 48,000 pounds and 52,000 pounds. Dozers, which are like the size of the 750 John Deeres, or equivalent to a D6 Caterpillar. You get to experience that one-on-one with our instructional, how to traverse the whole entire course.
Those rides were really, really fun, but I was kind of hoping for something maybe a little bigger, maybe, I don't know, more destructive. You got anything like that?
We have plenty of cars out there ready for crushing.
I'm gonna crush a car, let's do it! Usually I break news. Today I'm breaking a car. You see that car? I did that! Thank you so much for watching NJ All Day. Please leave a comment and let us know where we should go next. But until then, I think I'm gonna get in this beast and crush some more cars. Let's go.